In this video, we are going to look at the examples in the 3-4 slides. We're starting here on page 6 with the question, for the conditional statement, not P implies Q, we want to write the converse, inverse, and contrapositive. So the converse of a statement is just the reversal of the statement. So the converse here is going to be Q implies not P. The inverse is the negation of each term of the statement separately. So that's going to be P implies not Q. And finally, the contrapositive is the combination of converse and inverse. So we negate both statements and then exchange them to get not Q implies P. We move on to the statements. Oh, that's the wrong one. We want to rewrite these statements in the form if P then Q. We got a couple problems on this page, so we'll start there. Okay, so you'll starve if you don't eat. We want to write this in the form if P then Q. If you don't eat, then you'll starve. Go to the doctor only if your temperature exceeds 101 degrees. Well, remember, only if implies that this is our Q in if P then Q, and this is our P. So this is if you go to the doctor, then your temperature exceeds 101 degrees Fahrenheit. And I just encourage you to go to the doctor for other reasons, because that's, there are plenty of reasons to go to the doctor. Broken leg doesn't mean that you have a temperature of 101 degrees Fahrenheit. Everyone at the game had a good time. I can say, if you were at the game, then you had a great time. Next, let P represent a triangle is equilateral, and let Q represent a triangle has 3 sides of equal length. And we want to write each of these statements symbolically. A triangle is equilateral if it has 3 sides of equal length. Well, then that's 3 sides of equal length is our P, and a triangle is equilateral is our Q. So this is if, this is P implies Q, this is P and this is Q, but since we've got that if there, this is now Q implies P. A triangle is equilateral, again, this is our P and this is our Q, only if it has 3 sides of equal length. That means we've got P implies Q. Okay, next up, we're asked to determine whether these biconditional statements are true or false. So we start with 6 plus 8 equals 14 if and only if 11 plus 5 equals 16. Okay, well, remember that for biconditionals, we have this truth table true, 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 false, 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 true, false, 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 true. Okay, so here, these are both true statements, so this is a true statement overall. 3 equals 7, false. If and only if 8 is less than 5, also false, so this is also true. Mars is a moon if and only if Jupiter is a planet. Well, Mars is not a moon, but Jupiter is a planet. So since one of these is false and the other is true, this is a false statement. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, please get in touch.